Do I need a contract for fashion photography work? If you are stepping into the world of fashion photography, you might be wondering, do I need a contract for fashion photography work? The answer is yes, and here's why. A contract is essential for defining the terms and expectations between you and your client. It protects both parties legally and professionally, ensuring a smooth working relationship. First, let's talk about the scope of work. A contract clearly specifies what you will deliver, such as the number of images, formats, and any additional products like prints or albums. This clarity helps avoid misunderstandings about what is included in the project. For example, if you agree to provide 10 edited images, the client knows exactly what to expect. Next, payment terms are crucial. The contract outlines how much you will be paid, when payments are due, and whether fees are one-time or based on royalties. This ensures you receive fair compensation on time. For instance, you might agree on a 50% deposit upfront and the remaining balance upon delivery of the images. Intellectual property and usage rights are also significant in fashion photography. The contract establishes who owns the copyright, which is usually you, the photographer. It grants the client specific usage rights tailored to their needs, such as for advertising, social media, or editorial use. You can also limit how long and where the images can be used. Attribution and moral rights are important too. The contract can specify whether you must be credited when images are published. This is vital for building your reputation in the fashion industry. Permits and legal compliance are another aspect to consider. If your shoot takes place in public or restricted locations, the contract can require the client to secure necessary permits. This protects both of you from potential legal issues. Liability and breach clauses are essential as well. The contract addresses what happens if either party fails to meet obligations, like non-payment or misuse of images. This reduces risk and clarifies remedies. In fashion photography, model releases are often included or referenced in the contract. This ensures you have the legal right to use images of models for commercial purposes. From the perspective of designer brands, contracts reflected the industry's ongoing need to protect creative assets and maintain control over brand image. As fashion photography became integral to brand identity, formal agreements became standard to safeguard investments in creative production. For students or professionals developing a fashion portfolio, understanding and using contracts is part of mastering the business side of photography. It aligns with the professional standards that designer brands expect and helps establish trust in client relationships. In summary, a contract is not just a formality. It is a necessary tool in fashion photography to define responsibilities, protect rights, and ensure smooth collaboration. So, if you are serious about your fashion photography career, make sure to have a contract in place for every project.